everyone, dear students, and welcome back to our channel. We got here a famous example of subtracting across zeros, and this is important one of the lessons. It's including a deep understanding of how you borrow from a next place value. Now we all know that each place value is 10 times as much as the next one. Okay, so wherever I take 1 from this place value, it will worth 10 in the next one. For example, if I take 1 from the 6, 6 will become 5. This one, if I put it in the place value of the previous, it will worth 10, not 1, as we all talk from the previous lessons of place values, as this place value of the 6 is 1000 and the previous is 100, so it's worth 10 times. So guys, if I go back again, why would I borrow now? Let's see that we need to borrow in that case of an example, because if we start by subtract, we say 0 minus 3, which is impossible. It's like I have nothing and I want to lend you money, right? So I have to borrow from someone, which is in the case the 6. That's all I have. So that 0 is going to ask the next is 0, and this 0 is going to ask the next is 0, and the 0 is going to ask finally the 6 to borrow some number, right? Now, so I'm going to ask the 6 to borrow 1, so the 6 is going to become a 5. And now the 0 is going to become a 10, as we all agreed, right? And then how to bring this 1 all the way to this 0? Okay, it has to come here first, right? So, and I will take 1 from that 10, so this 10 is going to become 9. And this 0 is going to become 10, and how this 1 comes here to the 0 that I was talking from the first place. Okay, I'm going to take 1 from the 10, so the 10 is going to become 9 now, and finally that 0 is going to become 10. That's why we all say simply, if you're going to borrow from a distant number, just make all 9s, and the last one make it 10. Simply make 9 9, and the last one 10. That's why, and that's the reason behind all of that. Okay, if you're going to borrow from a distant number, make the all zeros in between 9, and take 1 from that number. Last 0 make it 10. And now we're all strict and we all sharp understanding of why are we doing this. Okay, now we subtract. So 10 minus 3 equals 7, and then 9 minus 4 equal 5, and then 9 minus 7 equals 2, and then we put the comma, and we If we put the comma, then we say 5 minus 5, 0, right? We don't need the comma, and we don't need to subtract the 5 because it will give me 0, right? So we don't need that. 0 on the left of the comma, on the left of the number, is worthless. So the value of the subtract in that case is 257. And thank you for watching, everyone. See you in further videos.